Alright, so this is a 2017 VS Cruiser. The issue that I'm having right now is that so the dashboard used to turn on whenever we put the switch and hit the start. It used to like do the preloading but no crank, so we thought it was a starter. Now I proceeded to change the relay solenoid.
Papa.
Did that, and now I have nothing. Like if I try to hit start, dashboard still off. Like nothing. Like it's completely dead. Battery is connected, fully charged. Like I actually have a different battery from a different Waverunner. And the only thing that I find interesting here is that right on this side by the what's it called, the airbox, I found this ground cable, or what I think is a ground cable.